Hi, this is Mrs. Riley's videos, maths videos. I'm doing algebra revision videos. This is video 4, how to solve simple linear equations. So let's get down to it. Remember the main thing with linear equations is we want to get, our aim is to get x equals something, x by itself equal to something. And the other thing to remember is that it's a bit like a balance scales. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. So our aim is to get x by itself on one side, and whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So here I've got x plus 7 equals 12. Hopefully you can see in your head that that must mean x equals 5. But if I wanted to use my algebra techniques to get there, I would subtract 7 from both sides, and that would tell me that x is equal to 5. Okay, question 2. X minus 3 is equal to minus 10. I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So x is equal to minus 7. The reason I'm taking 7 here from the 7 is because 7 minus 7 is 0. So it effectively vanishes it from that side. And then I'm doing it to the other side, so it has an impact on the other side. The third one, 2x is equal to 8. Well, I know that twice x is 8. You can probably say, well, x is equal to 4, but how does our method work? I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to find out what 1x must be. If 2 of something is 8, then one of them is going to be what? One of them is going to be 4. 7x is equal to minus 42. So again, 7 of something is minus 42. What number do I multiply by 7 to get 42? Well, then I divide both sides by 7, and I find that x is minus 6. Okay, question 5. 4x plus 2 is equal to 14. Now this is getting a bit more complicated. 4x plus 2 is equal to 14. I'm going to first of all deal with that 2. So I get that 4x is equal to 12. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 3. Question 6. 9x minus 15 is equal to 3x plus 3. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Actually, I changed my order here, so it doesn't really matter which order you do it in, but maybe I should have dealt with the numbers first. But anyway, 6x minus 15 is equal to 3. Add 15 to both sides. 6x is equal to 18. Divide both sides by 6. X is equal to 3. And you have to remember the rules of BOMDAS here. So you have to deal with things in the correct order to be able to find out what x is. Question 7. Let's go over here for question 7. Question 7 was 2x plus 6 is equal to 4x minus 6. So let's see what we do. We will, just an extra thing here. Do you see the way there's more plus x's here on this side and less on this side? There's 4 x's here and 2 x's here. So actually I'm going to get x's onto this side and numbers onto this side. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So I get 2x plus 12 is equal to 4x. Now I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So 12 is equal to 2x, and then divide both sides by 2. So 6 is equal to x, which is the same as saying x is equal to 6. And question 8, again, 6 plus 2x is equal to 33 minus x. So we're going to get all the x's on this side and all the numbers on the other side. So let's subtract 6 from here. We get 2x is equal to 27 minus x. And add x to both sides. We get 3x is equal to 27. Divide both sides by 3. And we get x is equal to 9. Okay, one slightly more complicated one, just in case it comes up. I'll just find one here. So here's a more complicated one with brackets. So what I do is I multiply out the brackets. 6 by 1 is 6. 6 by 2x is 12x. 5 by 3x is 15x. 5 by minus 1 is minus 5. That minus 4 isn't multiplying by the 5, so it's just there. So I've got 6 plus 12x is equal to 15x minus 9. I'm going to get all the x's to this side, all the numbers to this side. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides. I've got 15 plus 12x is equal to 15x. Then I'm going to subtract 12x from both sides. We've got 15 is equal to 3x. Divide by 3, and 5 is equal to x. So we 15 plus 12x equals 15x. We subtracted 12x from both sides because we wanted all the x's on this side. And then we've got that x is equal to 5. Okay, here's a couple for you to try very quickly, and then I'll work them through. So we're on question 10. So let's say question 10 is 2x is equal to 8. Question 11 is 2x minus 3 is equal to 10. Question 12, let's say 7x minus 9 is equal to 3x plus 11. And question 13, let's say 3 by 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 11. So pause the video and try those. Okay, so let's work through the solutions of those. So question 10, 2x is equal to 8, divide both sides by 2, and I get x is equal to 4. Question 11, 2x minus 3 is equal to 10, add 3 to both sides, 2x is equal to 13, divide both sides by 2, x is equal to 13 over 2, or 6.5. Question 12, 7x minus 9, actually I'll do it up here for more space. 12, 7x minus 9 is equal to 3x plus 11. So I'm going to get x's on this side, numbers on this side, add 9 here, add 9 here, so 7x is equal to 3x plus 20, and subtract 3x, subtract 3x, I get 4x is equal to 20, divide by 4, x is equal to 5. And finally, question 13, 3 by 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 11. So 3 by 2x is 6x, 3 by 1 is 3, 2x plus 11. And now I'm going to get the x's to this side and numbers to this side, subtract 2x, subtract 2x. So 4x plus 3 is equal to 11, subtract 3, 4x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 4, x is equal to 2. Okay, hopefully that helped. Bye-bye.